Hello everyone! Welcome back to the House of Gems YouTube channel, your go-to channel for all things creative and sparkly. Today we'll be making these orange meteorite earrings. These earrings are made with gold-filled findings from House of Gems. We'll be using this wonderful 3-ring hoop Euro wire, making this awesome astonishing dangle effect possible. Let's get started. To make these orange meteor shower earrings, you will need the following items. 1 pair of 3-ring 15mm gold-filled Euro wire hoop earrings. These are particularly easy to work with since the rings are already in place, which is perfect for any type of dangle earring. 2 14mm star-shaped glass beads. These are in tangerine orange. 1 gold-filled wire star charm. This one's 10.5mm. And 1 10mm star-shaped glass bead, also in tangerine orange. You will need 4 total open jump rings, 2 jump rings at 20 gauge 6mm, and 2 jump rings at 22 gauge 8mm. You will need 2 24 gauge 2-inch gold-filled ball head pins, and 1 strand of 3mm clear rondelle glass beads. I used 8 total on my earrings. The tools I'll be using on this project include the one-step looper, pliers, and looping pliers. All of these items can be purchased at houseofgems.com. Okay, let's get started. So first, we're going to take one of our head pins and we're going to add our 14mm star bead with the 2 open pieces here, leading with the tip there. Next, you will add 7 of our glass rondelle beads. Excellent. Now that our beads are in place, it's time to use our one-step looper to make the loop that we will attach to the 3-ring Euro wire. And make your loop. Perfect. We'll set that aside and add it to our Euro wire in just a moment. Let's take our other head pin. This time we're going to add the rondelle bead first, and then our star bead. This star bead, it doesn't matter which direction you put it on because the tunnel is going to be between 2 one way or the other. One-step looper. I want a nice snug fit, so I'm trying to get it in there as close as possible. And make your loop. There we have our first star for the front. And now we'll attach our jump rings to our star charm. So the first ring we're going to grab is going to be this smaller one right here. This is the 20 gauge 6mm jump ring. Open your jump ring, add your star charm, just like so. Take your next jump ring, place it inside, and close. Now we'll take our bigger loop and we'll open that up just a little bit. And the reason I put this 22 gauge 8mm jump ring on top is because I love the way that it shows around this front loop. And then we use our smaller jump ring after because we don't want it to be in the way of either of these dangles. We want it to fit nice and sleek. So we've opened our jump ring and we're going to place our first element onto the Euro wire. Close your jump ring Perfect. And let's add the rest of our elements. And we have our orange meteor shower dangle earrings. Thank you for watching the House of Gems YouTube channel. Come back next week for another do-it-yourself tutorial.